Okay, so let's have an activity called Forces Around Me. For this activity, you will going to observe and discover examples of Newton's law of motion, gravity, and friction in our daily life. Instructions: look around your home and observe how things move or stay still. Find 3 examples that shows different forces in action. Like for example, you're going to observe a door when you push or pull it, a ball rolling on the floor, and a pencil sliding on a table. After, write your observations in your science notebook. Then, take a short video or picture showing one of your examples. Okay, gets? Questions. It is produced when an object rolls over a surface. What kind of friction it is? Number 2. It is a force that all objects exert, but you can really only feel it from big things. Number 3. What is the force that opposes motion? Number 4. What are the 4 types of friction? Number 5. It is a kind of friction that prevents an object from moving against a surface. What kind of friction is this? So, for you to answer all the questions, we are going to provide, or I am going to provide, a Google form containing all the questions. Thank you.